In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the problem where YouTube Vanced is not working properly on your device. Stick around until the end so you don't miss any crucial steps that could get it working again. Let's dive in. If YouTube Vanced has suddenly stopped working, the first thing you should check is your internet connection. Make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. Weak or unstable connections can cause the app to fail to load. Next, check if your phone system software is up to date. Head into your settings. Look for any pending updates. Keeping your device updated ensures better app compatibility and performance. Also, make sure to disable any VPN that may be running. YouTube Vanced often has issues working when our VPN is active, especially if it routes your traffic through unsupported regions. Now, here is something important to note. YouTube Vanced has officially been discontinued. That means it's no longer getting updates and might not work with the latest YouTube backend charges. If that's the case, your best option is to switch to YouTube Revanced, which is the new alternative created by the community. To do this, uninstall the original Advanced app, then search online for a trusted source to download YouTube Revanced. Follow the installation guide carefully and the new app should work without issues. After installing YouTube Revanced, don't forget to install the Micro G package. This lets you sign in with your Google account and access subscriptions, playlists, and more. Thank you for watching this video.